this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag and improve FPS here in Roblox Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let's talk about lag. Lag is essentially your ping. It affects how smoothly the game responds. And if, players or plays themselves look like they're teleporting or shots don't register, that's obviously lag. Now, the fastest way to fix this is just switch servers. So just leave your current game, wait a few seconds and rejoin. And this can put you in a better server with lower ping for your specific region. Also make sure that you're checking the server region up at the very top. As you can see, it's going to be up in the top right, kind of next to this little settings gear right here. If it says something like a high MS right here, that means you're going to have, more ping. If this changes when you rejoin a server, that means you're going to have better ping. But essentially from here, what you can also do is go into your settings by selecting the settings gear, just like so. And if you scroll down in the game tab itself, you can go ahead and just change some of these settings to make them a little bit better. Now, the biggest settings to change are obviously in video. You could go ahead and turn on like optimized lighting, textures, and wraps. That'll go ahead and just increase your frame rate a little bit. But if you see an option for field of view on here, go ahead and increase that because that'll increase your FPS. But if any options on here talk about FPS, go ahead and increase those because you want to get the max FPS possible. That is everything that you can do though to fix lag. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.